Hi everybody, this is Lynn from Mama's Got Plans, and I am back with another plan with me. This week we're going to be planning for the week of September 10th through September 16th, and I am going to be using this Zodiac kit from Sticker Guru. It is a foiled kit, and I am totally in love with just both the theme and the artwork and the foil on here. It's in gold foil and it's on a premium matte paper. Sticker Guru does all of their foiled kits on this premium matte, and I think it looks really great. I love the premium matte and the foiling looks awesome. So we're going to just go through the kit really quickly. These are the full boxes, plus you get a couple of labels at the bottom, your headers, some appointment labels, and your half boxes, your glitter headers, which are foiled as well, which I love, and this bottom washi is foiled, and the foil is kind of like a scattered star and like dot design, which I really love, and there's a couple of circle icons over here. This is your functional. There's some checklists, some sidebar items here, and some flags, and some canceled and rescheduled, as well as your weekend banner and some icons. These are all of your ombre heart checklists, plus some quarter boxes down here at the bottom. And then on this last page, you have your washi, your little things, some deco, which is on the smaller side, which I think you guys know that I really love. And then here are your date covers, and I just added some date dots to these. The kit doesn't come with date dots, so you can either write them in, or like I did, you can just add your own. So if you want to see how I plan with this kit, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off as I normally do by putting down the bottom washi. I did want to mention as I'm doing this that I recently joined the Sticker Guru PR team. You can use the code LYN15 at the Sticker Guru website to save 15% off your order. I will put the link down in the description below. So I'm also just putting down my date covers, and initially I was going to use one of the flags from the kit to cover it, but then I realized that the lavender is pretty much the same exact color lavender as the flags printed on the Erin Condren, so I kind of just left it and went with it. And now I'm just using the glitter headers that come in the kit, and as I mentioned, these are foil, and I just love that extra detail. I am using all four colors and just alternating between them. For my sidebar, I love this full box of the girl. It's absolutely my favorite, so of course I had to put it here on my sidebar. There is no quote box, so this was the box I chose kind of to kick off my week. I put down the This Week header that was included in the kit, and here I am just showing you that I'm using my Papermate Inkjoy gel pen in the 0.5 this week. Normally I use a 0.7, but I don't know, I decided to switch it up this week. I've been reaching for my 0.5 in general, so yeah, I decided to switch it up. After I put down my 2 habit trackers, and of course I am tracking my Instagram posts and my no spend as usual, I put down a Happy Meal header and a list of Happy Meal that I'm receiving, which is contrary to my no spend. Like I said before, it's more of a controlled spend. If I write no spend, it makes me feel guilty for spending. So it's just this little psychological trick that I play with myself. But anyway, I am moving on to Monday, and the first thing that I did was put down this no school sticker from Once More with Love. My boys actually had off on both Monday and Tuesday, but I only put down the no school sticker on Monday. Then I used a Coffee Monday sticker from Paper and Milk, my absolute favorite, and that coffee cup sticker is from Stick With Me Shop. After that, I put down one of the appointment labels that came in the kit along with a bow paperclip sticker. I believe that might be from Sparkly Paper Co., just to mark down a doctor's appointment that I had for myself. I followed that up with a glitter header and one of the full boxes, and then after that, I just cut down one of the ombre heart checklists to size, just to mark down some things that I did that day. I had some errands to run. I'm going to finish up the bottom of Monday with a camera sticker from Very Cute Designs, along with a little YouTube symbol as well. I was just finishing filming my previous week's plan with me, as well as I just wanted to remind myself to post on Instagram. And then here at the bottom, I'm also using a TV Little Things to mark down that I had a little YouTube binge. So moving on to Tuesday, the first thing that I did was put down a full box at the top of the column. I then used one of the label stickers that came in the kit to mark down that my cleaning service was coming that day. And I used an adorable Tofu the Panda cleaning sticker to mark that as well. I put down another appointment label from the kit. This time I had a doctor appointment for my oldest. He turned 14 at the end of August, and this was his yearly checkup. The doctor said officially he is a ginormous 14-year-old. He's actually 6'2" and 230 pounds. So definitely built for football, which is a good thing because it's his absolute favorite thing to do is to play football. I followed that up with an edit sticker from Very Cute Designs because I was editing the plan with me that I had filmed the previous day. And then I put kind of like this frustrated looking face emoji. I was having a lot of tech issues. My iMovie was not behaving itself, and it was super, super annoying. It kept kind of just booting me out of the program. So I decided to reward myself with a pumpkin spice latte. And when it's the first one of fall, you make sure that you mark it down in your planner. So that's what I did with a coffee cup sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then I just finished off Tuesday with a ombre heart checklist cut down to size and some things that I had to get done. So the first thing on Wednesday, I'm just putting down a half box, and this is my absolute favorite desk sticker from Happy Daya. I love it, and I especially love the little cat sitting on the chair. And I just wrote down tidy up office. I don't know, I'm kind of like, when I create and do stuff, I make a big mess, which is so frustrating because then all I need to do is clean it up. But anyway, I had to clean up my office. I needed to take some pictures for my to de-stash some things from my office. And then you can see I was trying to write call electrician, and I totally messed up on writing it because of the coil. So I ended up having to kind of lift everything up and then put down a label sticker instead. And that light bulb sticker is from Bubba Bear Studio. And it's so funny because I usually use that for school stuff, but I figured a light bulb and the electrician, it kind of went perfect. I then put down a today header and then just a long list of things that I needed to do. You can see on Wednesdays, I really try not to write on my planner because I usually mess up. So I just used that long sticker to write down everything that I needed to get done. And then I'm going to follow that up with a TV Little Things to mark down that I had a YouTube binge at the end of the night. And then the last thing I'll put on Wednesday is a full box and a glitter header on top of that. So now I'm moving on to the second half of the week. The first thing I did was put down this really angry, large emoji head because my dog pooped in the house, which he's 8 years old. He's maybe pooped in the house like, I don't know, 3 times in his life. And those were usually when he was a puppy. I don't know what happened, but I went downstairs in the morning and there was poop on the floor in the family room, and I was definitely not happy about it. So therefore I put down this angry emoji face. After that, I put down a half box with this little house sticker from, I think that's from Very Cute Designs. I had a design appointment with my mom. She's kind of redesigning some things in her house, and I am her resident designer. She had a furniture company come into her house, but she wanted me there just to give her some feedback. So I drove to her house to do that. And then I thought the full box that I put down was really appropriate because it's kind of showing this little decor scene there. So I put that down, and then I moved down to the bottom half of the day. I put down a 3-heart checklist that I had cut down to size. And then I put down some little things here at the bottom just to mark down that we we ate out that night, and I watched some more YouTube that night. And then I'm also using this sticker from Sparkly Paper Co. to mark down that I set up a mini happy planner. You guys, you can see that I'm watching a lot of YouTube lately. I'm looking for some more recommendations for YouTube channels. So if you have favorites, please leave them down below in the comments, because I just keep checking my subscriptions and I don't know, I'm kind of running out of videos to watch. So I'm always looking for new channels to watch. So starting on Friday, the first thing that I put down was a label to mark down that we had, when my husband and I had brunch together at Bill's, and that little toast, egg, and bacon sticker is from, I believe it's from Very Cute Designs. I also put down 2 little things just to mark down that I had my recycling that day and a meeting. And then I moved down to the bottom of Friday. I put down a half box just to mark down that I was playing a little planner catch up, and I was setting up my B6. I had kind of neglected it for a little while and I needed to get it back in shape. Above that, I put down a full box and a glitter header, and then I'm just going to move back up now, and I'm measuring here how many of the lines that I could fit in there from my ombre heart checklist, and I'm just going to put that in and fill out all of the things that I had to get done that day. Moving on to Saturday morning, the first thing that I did was put down a full box, and then I'm going to follow that up with a half box and a football game sticker. This is actually a custom script sticker that Carolina from Bookish Planning made me, and I absolutely love it. You guys know I love her shop for custom scripts, so she made this for me, and I told her I wanted something that would fit in a box like this, and it's perfect. And that football sticker is from Planner Frenzy. So my son had his game that morning. Thankfully they won. He had an amazing game. I think he had like 11 tackles, a sack on defense, and then on offense he's actually the center. All great snaps. He really had a good game, and you could tell he was super excited afterwards. Then I put down a label sticker, and that kind of like geotag meal sticker is from Stick With Me Shop. So I just marked down that we had lunch at Bill's, and then I cut down an ombre heart checklist to size. We decided to have all of our friends over just to hang out that night. I put down a half box and this kind of beer munchkin to mark that, and then I put down another kind of like dead emoji face just to mark I went to bed really late. I'm old, and anything past 11 o'clock is late for me, and I think I finally got to sleep at like 2 a.m. Yeah, so I was pretty darn tired. So I started on the bottom of Sunday. I put down a full box to start things out with a glitter header above that. And then I put down a TV little things because Sundays are for football. So we basically watch football all day, every day, you know, every Sunday at my house. It's kind of on every TV, whatever room you walk into, there's football on the TV. Above that, I put down a half box and just put a little planning session YouTube. Again, I was just pre-planning for the week there. So while I do that, again, it's on my desk and my computer's right here. So I was watching some more YouTube, hence my need for some recommendations. And then above that, I put down an ombre heart checklist that I had cut down to size. I am also going to put down a quarter box here. I edit photos. I actually take photos for my son's football team, so I spent the day editing those and getting those out to all of the kids and the parents. And this is a news sticker shop for me. That's from Banana Doodle Shop, and I just love it. Her character's name is Lola. So here is a look at my completed spread. Again, I will have links down below of all the different sticker shops that I used this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can stay up to date with all of my future uploads. I'll see you soon.